Your friend's server is full? I'll show you how to get around it and join anyway. If you're like me, you jumped into Once Human with your friends, eager to explore this ultra cool apocalyptic world together. But then you hit a snag. You can't join their older full server and you're stuck starting fresh on a newer server by yourself. Frustrating, right? But hold up, because the developers have been listening. They just dropped a game-changing update that fixes this issue. Now you can go back and join friends in those older servers. Huge win for the community and a big thanks to the devs from all of us. I don't know exactly what will happen when we change servers, but I'll be making the switch over the next few days. I'll post a quick follow-up video to share my experience, so make sure to subscribe and like. Your support really helps out a new channel like mine. To find the invite code your friends need to send to you, hit escape, go to your profile, and select special invitation code. It's limited to 5 friends. Once you have the code, head to the server selection list, choose the correct region and server, enter the code, and boom, you're in. Thanks for sticking around. If you found yourself solo in Once Human and navigating this apocalyptic world without your friends, remember, you're not alone. Keep exploring, keep surviving, and hopefully next time you'll have your crew by your side. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your own Once Human stories in the comments below. Until next time, stay sharp and keep surviving out there.